All right, let's cut through the fluff. Drop shipping isn't just sell and ship. It's a complex tech-driven ecosystem that can either make you or break you. If you want to scale beyond the basics, you need to understand the core technical gears turning behind the scenes. First up, your online store. Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce. These are not just pretty storefronts. They're powerful platforms with APIs that connect you to suppliers, payment gateways, and marketing tools. Mastering platform plugins and integrations isn't optional, it's a must. For example, using Oberlo or de-essers on Shopify automates product import and order fulfillment, but you need to configure them carefully to avoid stockouts or pricing errors. Your supplier relationships rely on tech too. Automated order routing systems instantly push your customers' orders to the right warehouse or drop shipper. Real-time inventory syncing prevents you from selling products that are out of stock. Platforms like Inventory Source or Spocket offer these features. But if you're dealing with multiple suppliers, you might need custom middleware to harmonize data flow. Trust me, manual order entry in 2025, that's rookie-level suicide.